It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.